Hello students, now we are going to learn about the new method for solving the linear equation. Okay, linear equation in two variables. So we have taken what general form of linear equation here: a1x b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So we always write in this form. If c2 is that side, c1 is that side, we have to bring this side. Okay, and c2 also we will bring this side. Next, what you will write here: x by, then put the equal sign here, you will write down y, then next it will be equal sign 1 by. What we have to write, you will see. For x value, for x you will cover this part and you will take the coefficient of y here, y, so b1 b2, you write down here b1 b2. Then next what, c1 c2, write down just below this equal sign c1 c2. For next you cover this one. For c1 c2, which one you will take? You will take a x. For y value you will take x and this constant term. Okay, so you will write what next, what is left here? Already c1 c2 is here. You write a1 a2, you will write here a1 a2. Next, what you will write here, see, if you need to find the value of 1, so for that this part will be covered, so a1 into what, b2, and a2 into b1. So you write here b1 b2. So if you will be able, this is very important for this step is very important for understanding cross multiplication. Next step, what you will write, see, you will be writing same thing, x, then see b1 you will multiply with c2. Okay, so it will be b1 into what, c2. Minus will be here when you will go b2 to c1. Okay, when we will go from down to upside, it will be minus. So it will be what, it will be here b2 c1. Next, equal sign, put here equal, y will be y. Next, same method you have to follow. It will go c1 to what, a2. You will write here c1 a2. Next, c1 a2, c1 a2 minus, it will be what, c2 a1. Okay, minus c2 a1, equal will be equal. Next, it will be a1 what, it will be 1 by a1 b2. Okay, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, a2 b1. So this is the step you have to understand. That now you can find the value of x by equating this one and last one. When you want to find the value of y, you will be equating y with last one. You will be getting the value. Okay. Next, let us use this method. I hope you can learn also this one if you can learn. So this one we are going to use for cross multiplication method. Okay. Now let us move to the exercise 3D question number 1. Exercise 3D question number 1, subdivision 1. X plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Next, 2x minus 3y minus 2l equal to 0. So we got these two equations. What we have to do? We have to find the value of what? We have to find the value of x, y and z. So what is the step for solving this one? I already said what? You will write first here x and then put the y equal sign. You will write y, then y equal sign. Here you will write 1. Then what is the next step? For x, you will take the coefficient of y and this c1 and c2. So write down what is the coefficient here, 2 and minus 3. Plus, so it will be 2 here, what you will write? Minus 3. Next, 1 here, 1, and what you will write? This coefficient 1 and minus 12. Minus 12. Next, it will be What for this one you have to take first and last value. So first value we have already here, last value we have already this one, constant one, C1 and C2, 1 minus 12. Then it will be what? Nothing here means what? You will write here 1, and what is here? We will write 2. Next for 1, you will cover this part, so you have taken 1, 2 already here. What will be there? Plus 2 minus 3. Write down here plus 2 minus 3, or you can write 2 also. Now let us find out the value of x, y and z. So how you will multiply this one with this, and this will go with this. So first write down here, next step, it will be x 2 into minus 12, or you can write 2 into, write down minus 12. Then from downside, if you know it will go up, it will be what? First minus, and then minus sign is there, you will write in bracket minus 3 into what? Into 1. Equal, you write equal, y will be y by, then it will be going 1 with what? 2. So write down 1 into 2, minus will be minus, so here see minus 12 into what? 1. Put in bracket minus 12 into what? 1. Equal. Then it will be what? It will be 1 into what? Here it will be 1 will be 1. 1 into minus 3. You write here 1 into bracket, it will be minus 3. Then minus sign when it will go from down to upside. So minus 2 into what? 2 into, it is having 2 into, yes, it will be 2 into, you will see here, it will be 2 into 2 here, this 2 into 2. Clear till here? Now what you will do, you will simplify this one. X will be x, simplify. 2 into minus 12, it will be minus 24. Minus into minus, plus 3 into 1, 3, equal. Y will be y. Then 1, 2 is 2, minus into minus, plus 12 into 1, it will be 12. Then equal, it will be equal, 1 will be 1. 1 plus into minus, it will be minus 3, minus will be minus 2, 2 is 4. So I hope till here you are clear. Next step, what you will be writing? You will be writing x will be x by, see, minus 24 plus 3, it will be what? Minus 21. Yes or no? It will equal to y will be y, and what we are getting here? Plus, this is also plus 12 plus 2, we are getting here 14. Equal to, we have what? 1 will be 1 by minus 3 minus 4, it will be what? Minus 7. What is the next step? I already told you. I hope you have finished copying this one. So it will be what? Next step, it will be, you will take first one and last one for finding the value of x. So you will take x minus 21 equal to what? 1 by minus 7. Cross multiply. So when you will cross multiply, you will get minus 7 is equal to 7x is equal to minus 21. Take minus 7 that side, it will be x is equal to minus 21 by minus 7. Minus minus cancel, 7 3s are 21. You will get the value of x is equal to 3. Okay, so this is the first answer. Next, take second one and last one. It will be what? Y by 14 is equal to, you can write 1 by minus 7. So you will get what? Cross multiply, you will get minus 7 is equal to 7y. Okay, 7 minus 7 into y will be minus 7. Y is equal to 1 into 14, it will be 14. Y is equal to 14 by minus 7. 7 2s are 14. So y we will get minus 2. Clear? So you can write down the conclusion here. What is your conclusion? Hence, x is equal to 3 and y we are getting what? Minus 2. Okay, so x3 we got here and y we have got obtained minus 2. So this 2 is our answer. So we have used here which method? Cross multiplication method. Okay, so now let us try next question from question number 1. let us take question number 1, subdivision. We will take 2 here. We have 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Then we have what? Minus 7x plus 9y plus 3 equal to 0. Exercise which we are doing, exercise 3D. So exercise 3D, question number 1, subdivision. 3, what we will do, see here, it's subdivision 2. We have 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 minus 7x plus 9y equal to 3. Now what I said, we have to write in same form. This side we need to obtain the zeros for both the equations. So we'll write here 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. But 12 we have to bring this side, so it will be what? Minus 12 is equal to 0. Next it will be what? Minus 7x plus 9y is plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, plus 3 is equal to 0. Next it will be what? Here you will be writing x, then by equal to y by, and next it will be what? 1 by something. Next, for what I said, for first value x1 you will cover this and you will take the coefficient of y here, a b1 b2, right? So b1 is 3 and b2 you have how much? 9. Then minus what? Minus 12, and you will have c1 c2, write down here 3. Next it will be for y, it will be c1 c2, and then what? a1 a2, you write here a1 a2. A1 is 2 and a2 we have what? Minus 7. Next we have here for 1 it will be what? This part will be covered, so 2 and minus 7 already written here. What you will take here? Take 3 9. Next, cross multiply it, you will get the answer. Here it will be x multiply 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 directly you can multiply, or you write one step 3 into 3, and when you will go run down to upside it will be minus sign. So minus 9 into what? Minus, it will be minus 12. So remember, when we go from down to up it will be minus here. Then 9 into minus 12. Equal will be equal. Then what? Y will be y. Then cross multiply. Minus 12 into what? So right here minus 12 into, yes, it will be minus 7. Minus 12 into minus 7. Then minus sign 3 into 2. Because we are going from down to up, we will put here minus 3 into 2. Equal will be equal. Then what? 2 into 9. It will be 1 by 2 into 9. Then minus sign will be minus sign. These two will be together here. So minus 7. Then what? Into 3. Minus 7 into 3. From down to up, we will put the minus sign. From here to here, it will be plus. So minus 12 into minus 7. But this minus sign is coming when we are going to down to up. Okay. See here, from first we are multiplying for x, it will be 3 into 3. 3 into 3. From down to up, if we will go put minus 9 into minus 12. Same thing here, y will be y. Then minus 12 into minus 7. But when you will go down to up, put first minus, then write 3 into 2. Next, 1 will be 1. It will be 2 into 9. And when you will go from down to up, it will be minus 7 here, minus 7 into 3. So clear till here? Now let us simplify and get the answer here. So we will try to simplify it. So it will be next step, it will be x will be x, multiply 3 3s are 9, and then minus into minus, it will be plus 12 into 9. It will be 108, right? 9 2s are 18, then 9 1s are 9, 1 10, so 108. Okay, equal, it will be equal, y, you will write y, minus into minus, it will be plus 12 into 7. So it will be 4, then 7 1 just 7, plus 1 8, 84, minus 3 2s are 6, 3 into 2 6, equal will be equal, 1 you will write 1 by 9 2s are 18, minus into minus plus 3 7 3s are 21. So we have got this thing. After the multiplication, simplify one more step. Okay. So here it will be x will be x. Add it. Both are plus 8. 8 plus 9. So it will be 7. It will be 1 1 equal to y. 84 minus 6 it will be what? 78 equal 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2 plus 1 3. Okay. So after adding we are getting this. Now we have to find out the value. Okay. Let us see how to find the value. So we will equate first x by what? First one and last one. Write down here. We will write x 117 equal to what? 1 by 39. Cross multiply, you will get what? 39. X is equal to 117. Next it will be how much? It will be x is equal to 117 by 39. So it will be 3 times, right? 3, 9, 3 is a 27. Yes, 3 3 is a 9, 10, 11. So 3 times it will be cancelled. You will get x is equal to 3. Next, equate these two. Y by 78 is equal to what? 1 by 39. See how much you are getting here? It will be what? It will be 39y is equal to 78. Next it will be how much? It will be 79y, right? So 79y. So then y is equal to 78 by what? Take 39 here. Then how many times? 2 times. 9 2s are 18. 9 3 is yes. 2 9 are 18. 2 3 are 6 1 7. So we are getting y is equal to 2. So x and y value we got here. We will write down hence x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, and this 2 is our answer. Okay, so x we are getting what? 3 and y we are getting 2. So now write down your homework. So question number 1 homework will be question number 1, 2 and 3 you will try similarly. Now let us move to next question. Here question number 2, subdivision 2 is only one question is here. 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 7. Then we have here one more equation is that 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 17. How to simplify this one? So we are not going to do anything, just the simplification here. Okay, how we will simplify, you will see here. What we will do here, question number 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 7. 2 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 17. You will take here let 1 by x is equal to a and take 1 by y is equal to b. So you will get at place of 1 by x we will write a. At place of 1 by y you will write b, because you have already taken equal to 7. Or I will take 7 that side, so it will be minus 7 is equal to 0. For second equation you see 2 by x, so 2 will be 2, but 2 into what? 1 by x is there, 1 by x it will be what? B. No, 1 by x is how much? A. So you write 2a plus, you will write plus 3 will write 3 and there what? Into 1 by y. 1 by y how much? It will be b. So 3b. Then take 17 this side, it will be minus 17 is equal to 0. Okay. Now let us find out the value of x, y here or ab. First we will find ab, then we will reach to x, y. Okay. So how we can write here? We will write same method, but here at place of x, y our variable has become in the form of a b here. We will write what here? A, then by. equal, we will write b by, then write 1, then by. Then what you will write? For this one you will cover this and take the coefficient. Nothing means what here? 1 and this, right? 1 by 3. So you write here 1 and what is here? 3. You will write 3. Then coefficient C1, C2. So C1 is minus 7, right? Minus 7. Then C2 here minus 17. Clear? Next. For this one, B you will cover B part. So you have AA. So AA value already you have taken, right? Or no, C1 and C2 already taken. You will cover this part. Minus 7, minus 17 here. So take the value of A1 and A2 here. 1, nothing is 1, and here 2. You will write here 1 and here you will write 2. Next, for last one, we cover this minus 7 and 17 constant part. So 1 and 2 already written here. So next value will be what? Nothing is here, 1 by 1 and 3. Now cross multiply it. Okay. So cross multiply, you will get here A by, what you will get? 1 into minus 17, it will be, let us write 1 into minus 17. Then when you will go from this side, okay, no need to worry about side, but when you will go this way, you will first put the minus, then 3 into, what is there? Minus 7, write down minus 7. Then equal, B will be B by, from this side if you will go, no need to worry the sign, write the same thing, what is there in minus 7 into what? 2. But when you will go from down to up, you will write in here minus 1, then write whatever there. So minus 17 into what? 1. Into 1 equal, then 1 will be 1, then 1 into 3 it will be remain same, 1 into what? 3. Then for this one, first put the minus sign and 2 into 1. So remember, up to, if you go downside, no need to worry about the sign, write whatever there. But for this one, we put minus, then write 2 into 1. Okay, now let us simplify this. I will simplify here. So what we will get here? A will remain A by 1 into minus 17, it will be minus 17, then minus into minus plus 7 3s are 21 equal, B will be B by minus 7 into 2, it will be minus 14, minus into minus plus 17 into 1, it will be 17 is equal to 1 will be 1 by 1 3s are 3 minus 2 into 1 will be 2. Now simplify again. A will be A, 21, this is minus, so 21 minus 17, so it will be 4 equal to B. Minus 14 minus 7, so it will be how much? 17 minus 14, it will be 3 equal 1 here. 3 minus 2, it will be 1 by 1. So now what is the next step? You will take first one and last one, then second one and last one. Okay, so take A by 4 is equal to 1 by 1. So what you will get, cross multiply, you will get A is equal to 4. So this is our first for value of A. Now let us find out the value of second one and last one. So it will be B by 3 is equal to 1 by 1. Cross multiply, B is equal to 3. Now here, now let us find the value of X and Y. How to find the value of X, Y and Y? We will write, we will write here 1 by, we know what? 1 by X is equal to A. You will write A. 1 by X will be 1 by X. 4 will be 4. Cross multiply, you will get what? X is equal to, you will be getting 4. Yes, it will be 4x is equal to 1, or last line will be getting x is take 4 that side, so it will be 1 by 4. So we got x is equal to 1 by 4. Now let us find the value of b. We will write, say this one, 1 by y, we know what? B. Put the value of b. 1 by y will be 1 by y. Value of b we have here how much? We have 3. Cross multiply, you will get here 3y is equal to 1, or y is equal to 1 by what? 3. So you can write the conclusion, hence x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 3. So these two is our answer for question number 2, subdivision 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. So question number 3 you will try similarly. This will be your homework. Okay, question number 3. Then remaining question also you can try by similar method. So next day I will be starting with the next exercise, exercise 3D. It will be 3E, problem sums. Okay, so we will stop here. Thank you everyone, and practice as much as you can. Okay, because this type of question need to come in your exam, not like everything from the exercise. Okay, simple question and you have to use this kind of methods.